Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came is on the important opportunity from various company like the Amazon, Flex, and other hiring. So if you are the fresher looking for the important opportunity, then this video is for you. So talking about the first important opportunity that is from the Amazon, and earlier also I provided update. So if you haven't applied and if you have missed it, must apply as soon as they have reopened the link. So this is for 2024 and 2025 graduates, and these will be the locations and the roles and responsibility. Talking about this, so just refer to the job link in the description. So this is the roles. You will design and build innovative technology, create solution to run predictions, build distributed storage index, design and code the right solutions. So if you are the knowledge of C++, HTML, CSS, and data structure and SDLC, then you can apply for this. The preferred qualification, if you have some experience or have some technical internship, then this will means you will be getting the additional advantage. And friends, apply with updated resume, then only you will get the chance. Moving to next important opportunity, that is Cognizant, Infosys. They have again announced the hiring. So especially if you are the candidates who have missed the previous hiring, which I've already provided update, then you can apply. Those who are in the phase of the hiring, like those who are waiting for first round or second round, don't apply for this. Okay, and those who haven't applied earlier, we can apply for this. This is a wonderful opportunity. Moving to next important opportunity, that is from the Baker House. They are hiring for the role of area career trainee, means early career trainee AI engineer role, and the job locations will be Bangalore, Karnataka. So business leadership program. So this is a wonderful opportunity, and this will be your roles and responsibility. Now talking about the eligibility criteria. So who are eligible for this job? So if you are graduate of bachelor or master degree in computer science, software engineering, artificial intelligence or related, then you can apply for this. The graduate with past 12 months, within past 12 months, means you should not have gap of more than 1 year, or you should not graduate after 1 month. Okay, means there should be not gap of 12 month. Okay, that's it. So minimum qualifications or GPA 7 and fluent in English and other things are there. So if you want, you can apply. Moving to next, that is from the Flex. They are hiring for the role of associate engineer, global IT desk, help desk role. So if you want, you can apply for that. These will be your roles and responsibilities. So this is a non-technical profile. You have to a troubleshoot, you have to raise the ticket, call, attend the calls, document the issue currently, and other things are there. So if you are from the BE, BTech, BSc, MSc, CSIT or VCA, MCA graduates, then you can apply for this. Freshers are legal for this. The only requirement is you should be having problem mindset, good communication skill, and basic networking knowledge, and the knowledge of the MS Office suite. So if you want, you can apply for that. Moving to next important opportunity, this is Walk in Drive. They are hiring freshers for digital marketing and lead generations, and freshers can apply. So this with the locations like Indore, and you have to walk in there, walk in with the updated resume, and you can share resume to this mail ID too. Moving to second last important opportunity, that is from the Corner Store. They are hiring for the role of QA engineer, and job location is Pune, India. So if you want, you can apply for this. This is a office based role, and these are the roles and responsibility. The minimum qualification is BE, BTech, and must the knowledge of testing concepts and other things are there. So if you want, you can apply for this. Moving to last important opportunity. So the company name is EXL. They are hiring for the various role like the executive. Freshers can apply. Executive, customer voice, and other roles are there. So according to your eligibility criteria, you can apply for this, and these are the batch eligible. So I hope never to your koi query. Feel free to ask here. We can connect on LinkedIn, Insta, or anywhere, and you can ask. We regularly post lots of important job updates. So if you want, you can subscribe us. Koi bhi query hai, feel free to ask here. Thank you.